You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. But you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. Cause we can work from home, oh, oh. We can work from home, oh, oh.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the concept of working from home. It seems that a lot of people want to work from home these days, and ironically it seems a lot of companies are hiring people who can commute via the internet. Telecommute, I think is the term I am looking for. So I did a little bit of research, and today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 jobs to do if you want to work from home. These jobs do not include customer service or jobs that you have to sit on the phone all day. Not a fan of those. If you are, click another video to search those up. I will also be sharing with you guys a website and or links on how to get more information on each of these jobs. You'll see them on the screen here, and I will have them listed down below in the description box. But without any further ado, here are my top 5 jobs for those of you who would like to work from home. Number 1 on this list is a virtual assistant. These are for people who are detail-oriented and are very good at multitasking. Virtual assistants work is growing in need and popularity every year, from small businesses to large corporations. Virtual assistants do everything from digital administration tasks like sending out invoices, reading and responding to emails, and managing company websites. This job also includes behind-the-scenes work like scheduling meetings, social media updates and upkeep, editing content, creating graphics, and more, depending on the company. The website I'm currently showing you is called Upwork.com, where you can make a profile and search different jobs and companies searching for virtual assistants. Number 2 is online teacher or tutor. If you want to work with students but don't want or can't find a full-time teaching position, check out this website. We are currently on online tutoring jobs. These jobs typically make $20 or more per hour. Job number 3 is transcriptionist. If you can type quickly and accurately, your skills can definitely pay off if you're looking for a flexible work-from-home job that does pay well. Transcriptionists type out audio conversations, including video recordings or podcast or radio interviews, and they convert them into text so others can read them. The website we're currently looking at is Transcribe Me, and the average salary is $20 per hour of audio transcription. Number 4 is social media management. Almost every big business is starting to get into social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the whole social media bandwagon. It's proving to be a strong means to reach out to their customers directly without paying heavily for television, print, or radio ads. But not every big business has someone to manage their social media accounts, which is why more and more individuals have begun marketing themselves as social media management and helping businesses grow their online influence and following. Top websites to find work in social media management are Career Builder, Simply Hired, and again, Upwork.com. And last on this list is data entry positions. A wide range of businesses need workers to enter various data into their systems, whether it's data that's used to track inventory or shipments, create business plans, or measure performance and output. And seeing as the computer and typing skills are the most important requirements for this job, many data entry workers are able to work from home and on a schedule that fits their lives. According to a study, the average data entry worker earned a median wage of $27,000 to $30,000 a year, but the top 10% earned anywhere between $42,000 and $45,000. Since many data entry jobs are at-home positions, you can always find dozens of data entry job postings also on Upwork, Freelancer, and Simply Hired. Anyway, that is my list of the top 5 jobs I found in my research for those of you looking to work from home. I hope that helped you guys out. If you know of any other great work from home jobs that I did not include on this list, please include them down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe by clicking the little red subscription button down below. It'll update you each and every time I upload a new video. Also, side note, click the little bell next to the subscription button. It'll update you each time I do a live stream or post anywhere else on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We can work from home. Uh-oh.